In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wish Pieces Project Sakai. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options to acquire Wish Pieces and how to use them in Project Sakai. I'm not going to go too in-depth about acquiring them, but in a very summed up manner, you will be able to get them by pulling from any banner. So if you go over to the gacha option and you get duplicate characters from any of these banners, you will earn Wish Pieces and Jewels. Like I said, I'm not going to give you specific numbers, but in summary, whenever you get any duplicate characters, you will be eligible to acquire Wish Pieces and Wish Jewels. You can check how many you have by opening up the exchange menu or going over to the green room. In here, you can also choose specific characters to turn in order to get more Wish Pieces and Wish Jewels. Now, for the main focus of this video, which is actually using these jewels, you just have to open the menu and go over to Exchange, and you will find the option here, Wish Piece and Wish Jewel Exchange. So tap this option, and you will see the two options at the left. So you have the category for Wish Pieces and Wish Jewels. The second one only has the option to acquire Wish Jewels. So essentially, you can get 2,000 Wish Pieces per one Wish Jewel. So once you have the pieces, go over to this category here, and now you can browse through all of the items. So you will have guaranteed tickets, you will have wish drops, virtual coins, and other vouchers. I'm not going to go over every single item in detail, but you can pause the video or open up this exchange menu on your own end. And you can see the amount that you have over here. You also have a button to be redirected into the green room in order to exchange applicable characters. And like I said, every single time that you get duplicates, you will be able to swap them for jewels. Some specific characters of higher rarity will give you jewels, while others will only give you pieces, and you can exchange them in this menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wish Pieces in Project Sakai. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.